What's going on YouTube? It's Patrick, Mid-10 Outdoors. Up here at the lake down the road from the house. This is the RV park. It's closed down for the winter. I just wanted to get outside. It's a little drizzly, a little crappy day. First day of the year, January 1. I just thought I would get out and get some video, talk to you guys. Pretty neat little park. Like I said, it's all RV park. Campsite I was kind of hanging out in is one of the many RV campsites. I'm watching the geese. I don't know if you can see them from here or not. Hopefully you can hear me. I have to get you a little closer so you can. But the geese are down there swimming array. Squirrels are over yonder playing. Probably can't see them. Doing all this on the GoPro. It's the only weatherproof camera I really got. So, figure rainy, drizzly day. Why not? Well, I said, what are you going to do today? Because they were going to the movies with a friend, some friends. I said, I'm going to get out and look at nature. It doesn't matter where you go. I mean, you can go to most remote places, or you can go to a place like this even and just walk around. Peace and quiet. Yeah, it's paved roads, but there's a lake. There's geese hanging out, doing their thing. I'm not disturbing them. They're not going to disturb me. Now, we'll have to add, I am just right across the way from where we've had our first, in Middle Tennessee, cougar spottings. Literally right straight through those trees right out there. There's a neighborhood, and that's where it's been seen. So, not that I would shoot it, but I do have a gun on me just in case. Now that, with this day and age, kind of sucks. You'd have to have a gun with you anywhere. But I do have protection. I'm not going to go out without protection. But anyway, I hope to get out more this year than I did last year. And actually get some footage and start getting some more things on film and doing more outdoors. Not just shooting, but getting outdoors. Squirrel playing, I don't know if you can see that or not. Geese are talking to each other. One crew's flying by, or swimming by, the other crew's kind of hanging out on the beach. Some ducks came by a minute ago and said hi to them. They haven't even considered me standing over here. They're just hanging out, doing their goosely things, kind of like the squirrel over here. See if I can get him a little bit. We're up the tree now. I don't know if you can see any of this. I won't know until we get back home. Put it down. What is it? What's the old saying? Is get it out of the can and onto the screen. I guess we can't use those words anymore. We're actually getting them off of a disc and onto the computer. So, anyway, guys, this is Patrick, Mid-10 Outdoors. It's a rainy, drizzly day in Middle Tennessee. Who cares? Who really cares? I'm outdoors. Go over here. Pelican. Or whatever it's called. So I can sneak up on him. See him. Alright, guys. In case you're wondering how I'm dressed for this today, I just got a fleece jacket, some green tough pants on, t-shirt, hat. But I'm all mellow tone, so I blend in with the background a little bit. And Yeah, like I said, it's a nature walk. Don't ask me what this is. I don't have a clue. It's been here forever. There's some experiment gone wrong. Mr. Crane don't give a shit that I'm coming any closer. I'm gonna stop right about here though. Oh, there he goes. Yep. He didn't like it. This out here is what they call Bird Island. In the summertime, that thing is loaded with birds of every kind you can imagine. This is where I come and fish a lot. Bank fishing. You get some pretty good bites, especially over here. They've got a fish attractors stuck out over here. And you get some pretty good fish. My daughter's caught some huge fish out here. Right out here, my oldest daughter. Real diehards out there fishing, and that's about it today. Matter of fact, the one boat that was launched out here is gone. Just a guy fishing on the pier now. And the way the rain's doing, I'm fixing to be gone. Alright guys. This is Patrick, Mid-10 Outdoors. Out of here.